This is problem number 2 from your lab assignment, section 3.3. They want us to differentiate this function. We have 4 times cosecant x plus 4 times cosine x. So this is the section on taking derivatives of trig functions. So we have a handful of trig functions here that we should know how to take the derivative of. And a couple of them are here, cosecant and cosine. So recall that the derivative of cosecant x, so cosecant x is going to be a negative cosecant x times cotangent x. So some of these things you can derive, you can rederive using the quotient rule or whatever else you need to do, a bunch of trig identities, but I say it's important to simply memorize the derivatives of all 6 trigonometric functions here. So for a while you'll probably need a list of derivatives to look at, so maybe it would be good to make a list of derivatives, not just a trig function but a bunch of other formulas, and keep looking at it over and over again, and eventually it'll stick to your head. So the derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x cotangent x, so the derivative of 4 times that is going to be negative 4 times cosecant x times cotangent x. So that's the first part, and being that this is an addition, we can just simply take the derivative one by one. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine, or derivative of cosine x is negative sine x, and then we have a coefficient in front, so that's negative, or there's a 4 coefficient, so we'll have a negative 4 times sine x. And then we simply piece those two together. We're going to get a negative 4, this is cosecant x times cotangent x, and then we have a plus, and then negative 4 again. Well, let's just call it a minus 4, and then the derivative of cosine is negative sine x, and that's it. So in combination of all the other rules, the product rule, quotient rule, power rules, and things like that, we have now added on a list of derivatives of trig functions. Okay, hope that helps.